Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView app on mobile. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and either create a new free account or log in if you already have one. Familiarize yourself with the main navigation, especially the watch list and charting sections, which are your primary tools for market analysis. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready to track your favorite assets. Once logged in, managing your watch list is simple. Just tap the plus icon to add new symbols. On the chart, you can easily switch between different chart types, like candlesticks or line charts, and apply various technical indicators. Explore the drawing tools to mark support and resistance levels or identify patterns. The intuitive interface makes analyzing market data on the go incredibly efficient and user-friendly. TradingView allows you to set custom price alerts, ensuring you never miss a critical market move. Simply tap the alarm icon on a chart to create one. For active traders, connecting your brokerage account enables direct order placement and management right from the app. You can easily review your open positions and past trade history, giving you a comprehensive overview of your trading activity. Beyond the basics, explore advanced features like the stock screener to discover new trading opportunities based on your criteria. Don't forget to engage with the active TradingView community. Sharing ideas and learning from others can significantly enhance your trading journey. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.